Welcome back here on the Chaser bin today. It's Friday and we had rain here on Tuesday, Wednesday at about 16 mil. So we came back here, set up the header and took a sample in to CBH, and it was 12.1% moisture, and because this barley goes feed, so we're good to go. It's 13.5 below that, and so we're doing a few runs. But one field bin is already full, so we're really waiting for the truck tomorrow. And here comes Leo again with the header. I've jumped into the cab for you as well, which I'm going to show you an inside view, so you see what it is like from inside the cabin. This is yielding quite nice. They are 2.4 tons, which is pretty good for this region. Usually it's 1.2 tons. And then tomorrow I'll show you when the truck comes how the loading goes and how we've got our field bin set up.